welcome to Dreamstar YouTube channel, and thank you again for being here with me. So today I just want to share with you something that I bought at McDonald's, Happy Meals. You have the Happy Meal toys. So the month of June, they are having the DC superheroes of soft toys that come along with the Happy Meal. So I just want to show you what I have and what I bought as this collection. And if you're looking at these pictures here, these are the pictures of certain weeks of the superheroes that you're gonna buy with your Happy Meals. So in the week, what you're gonna have. So I only collected the ones that I like. So I just want to show you and what I get, and I'm gonna show and display into this keychain holder so you can come along and see with me. Before we continue, do like and subscribe my channel and join my family. So we continue with the Happy Meal DC Toys collection. So first thing first, let me choose in this bunch. Is a lot of the soft toys that I have here, so let me just choose one. So these are the current week that I get for the soft toy. The Joker, right? So the Joker, and looking at the next opposite page, this is how it looked like. So I get this Joker because I find it's a very unique character, and the last movie that I saw is the Joker acting by this person. I find it is a very to understand the character and how the villain go through this disorder is unique, and I find it as a good movie. And I also like the Joker from Batman Forever, the Joker from, where is it called? From Suicide Squad. Wow, that is the super sexy Joker. So I'm gonna open this and put into my charms holder. So we open up together. So this is the one. It's a very nice packaging, and because somehow she has the drawing and in this batch. So but because I want to show it to you, I have to cut it. So let's cut it the top. So there you are. OMG, so cute. Look at that. Love the green, iconic green hair with the purple baju and the orange vest. So there you are, Joker. So I'm gonna hook it here. Right. You can see there. Okay, next DC superheroes. I'm gonna pick. Alright, is Batman. Okay, Batman is the drawing. Opening this side. Oh, this is so iconic. This is like macam those 90s Batman, just an iconic cartoon, you know, a grey and the belt is yellow, just like it. So I'm gonna cut it for you to put in my toy holder collection. So you're gonna open. Nice. Wow, look at that. Look at the belt and the Batman and the wing. Terbang, fly. Look at that. So iconic. So cute. And look at the mouse singit sebelah. Cantik. There you go. Put into here. Alright, next. Choosing. Oh, this is the one. This is Wonder Woman. Looking at this packaging like that. This is the first Happy Toy Meal that I get, is the Wonder Woman, because it's again iconic. And when I saw people was going to McDonald's, I was like looking forward to buy the Happy Meal toy. Then I noticed that, oh, it's a DC collection. This is the first Happy toy that I get from starting the collection. So I'm gonna cut it for you. Okay. Okay, so open it up. Very squeezy. Yeah. So this is how the Wonder Woman look like. Look at that, so sexy outfit. Look at that wavy black hair and that hair, that Wonder Woman hair top star. I just like it. Okay, let me turn around. Steady lah. The eyes and the eyebrow, just simple. There you go, Wonder Woman. Okay, I'm gonna put it here. Da, 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 da. Okay, next. There you go. Same category of the first week of the Happy Toy is Supergirl. So look at the packaging. It is pink in color. Look at the back, there's the R. Okay, let me cut it. Wait. Okay, wow, now just now the Wonder Woman, the hair is black, but this for Supergirl, the hair is blonde, orange color. And look at the Supergirl tag here, and then again with this is just beautiful. And then look at the back, the hair. So compared to Wonder Woman, nicey. And then look at the back, black and blonde. Nice. Put it here and put it here. Right, next. This is the one we came with the week with Joker. Harley Queen. So this is the one, Harley Queen. Look at that, the color is in red and white, and Harley Queen. And look at that fierce look, the mouth. So I'm gonna cut it for you. I think this is very iconic. Harley Quinn color uniform. I prefer if the clothes are from Suicide clothes, that kind of like blue and red, that combination reminds me. I love watching Suicide Squad. To see her character very daring and don't care about other people, and she is very strong character person, and not scared, very brave. Yeah, just love it. Yeah, nice. So I'm gonna put together with Joker because around I don't know whether they are together or not, but I just find it that they are matching villain. Okay, next. Oh, I have to get this. This is our Superman. So go look at that in the packaging, and then turning it back, the drawing. Oops, Superman. Yep. So in the same category with up close and personal, I just love the Superman. Very legendary. During my childhood, I watched Superman with Lois Lane, Clark Kent. I love watching them. And look at the hair, curly hair in the middle is very iconic. And looking the side, look at that, it's beautiful. So let me combine it with the Supergirl. Magic. Wondering why they don't have Superwoman, huh? Only Wonder Woman. Supergirl, Superman. So I'm gonna put it back into this row. Robin. And that's nice. So these are the McDonald's Happy Meal toy, McDonald's toys that I get from the following weeks, weeks by week to collect this collection. There are two items inside here that I did not buy. One is Batgirl and another one is Cyborg. And Flash. Oh yeah, I supposed to have Flash. Let me get back to you. Right, I'm back. Sorry, I forgot about the Flash. So this is another Flash. So look at it. So here's the packaging. This is Flash. I also watch Flash series drama, and I just find it's wonders the superheroes can just run here and run there very fast just to save someone, and I find it the superpowers is very useful and save time. So this Flash, look at that, so cute, red color mask, and then that's it. So I'm gonna put it just beside Superman. Okay, let's go through again one more time. So this is Flash, Superman, Supergirl, Wonder Woman, Harley Queen, Joker, Robin, and Batman. So again, the things that I don't have inside this collection are two. There is Batgirl and Cyborg. So I just love this collection, and I just find it very beautiful, and for keeping as a memory, as a collection, and I find it's very cute. Good for any age to keep for your collection. So hope you enjoy my show today, and hope this brings some good memories of your childhood memory watching their series and action heroes into actions. So do like and subscribe my channel. So I'm going to having my subscriber is 94. I was hoping to get 100 subscribers. So do again support my channel, like and subscribe, and thank you again. This is Diana Dreamstar. Bye bye. Signing off, Diana Dreamstar. Bye bye.